Alright, still looking at parallel lines and transversals. We're just quickly going to just practice and review. So where you're going to cut it all the way down, cut the margin all the way down like you would when you're making a new chapter. And then on the side of that, you're just going to write practice, so that when you fold the paper like that, you can see the word practice. So on the practice page, you're going to copy this down. Actually, here's the whole thing. Just go ahead and pause the video and copy all the lines down. Go ahead and pause the video and copy the numbers down for the top half. Pause the video and copy the numbers for the bottom half. Alright, so the question is, find the measure of each letter and justify your answer. So all justify means is to say why. Explain why. Alright, so I'm going to start with A and B. I'm going to go ahead and draw my house so I can see what's inside and what's outside my house. So I can see A, B, and C are all inside my house. So this has got to be interior something, right? So I can draw a Z. And interior is going to give me the alternate angles when I draw a Z, or if I can look on the opposite sides of the transversal. So automatically I can see that B is going to be 35. So then I write B equals 35, and the reason being it's alternate interior or interior alternate angles. It doesn't matter which word you put first. Alright, once I have B, I can use B to find A. And what is that? That's a straight line. What is two angles or many angles on a straight line called? A linear pair. Alright, so I know that all linear pairs add up to 180. So 180 minus 35 is going to give me 145. So A is 145. And the reason being, it is a linear pair with angle B. This is a listening check. Color in A equals 145. Alright, once I have 145, I can use that to find C. I can do another Z, right? Only this way it looks a little different. Or I could do a straight line like I did before. So I'll just do a straight line. That's just easier. So that's also 145. And the reason being is it's a linear pair, the angle C. This is a listening check. Underline linear pair with C. Okay, I can draw another house and I have another transversal with DEF. So again, everything is inside the house, so I can do interior alternate again. Or actually on this one, if I draw this transversal, there's my Z right there, right? I can say F is alternate interior with 110. In many ways of doing the same thing, because I really could have said interior same side or consecutive same side, consecutive interior angles. But I did alternate interior, and that's fine. So F is 110 because it's interior alternate angles with 110. Then again, E and F are on a straight line, so those are supplementary. They add up to 180 because they are a linear pair. So E is 70 because it's a linear pair with angle F. So I know you can't see, but I'm saying it. Alright, then D is also on the same line as 110. So that's also a linear pair with angle 110. Alright, we could do L. Those are D and L are vertical angles because you can see the folding V. So K is 70 because it's vertical angles, and then L is 110 because it's vertical angles with the 110. This is a listening check. Box K equals 70. Alright, HIG, we can go ahead and make another house. I'm going to choose something different because it seems like we're doing interior alternate and linear pair a lot. So we're going to try something different. Let's first start with a linear pair, because actually on this one I need to do that first. So G is 55 because it's a linear pair with 125. 180 minus 125 is 55. And then let's do same side of the transversal. So instead of doing the Z like I would usually do, let's do something different. I was just checking here if it was corresponding. So you see how it's on the top of the red. If I move it up to the line, it would need to be the top of the red, which it's not. So it's not corresponding. So let me do interior because they're all inside. And then let's do the same side of the transversal. So I'm looking for same side interior or consecutive angles. So I is on the same side as 125. So 125 plus I has to give me 180. So I has to be 55 because of interior same side angles, or you could write because of interior consecutive angles. You need to recognize both words because they'll use both words interchangeably. What I want you to do is pause the video and copy these numbers down. This is going to be your entry quiz today to fill out the rest of these letters. Okay, so pause the video and rewind it if you need to. Copy those numbers down. Let's practice.